Hey guys, what is up YouTube? We are the Great Canadian Apes. My name is James Marin.
Jim Marin.
And we are not financial advisors. We do not look like financial advisors. I do not know what money is. Anyways, let's go on. Red Day, down 10%, looking at Progeny here. Hedge is likely driving price down for Friday's options. A look at the options chain for tomorrow. We're going to be taking a look at Ortex and Fintel data, including short squeeze leaderboard. Shorts increased by 13%. A look at how big hedge funds are, and watch for hedges to try to keep the price under 250 tomorrow. Prog is looking good long term. Just bought some more shares today, actually.
Yep.
Right in around
Good
that
dip.
250. Yeah. So not financial advice, and let's get into the video. So in Frankfurt, Germany, in the meat market, another
You're doing the schnitzel thing again? But in that platter, it's the schnitzel, it's the sausage, it's the bratwurst. It's the bratwurst, it's the Kassler ribs.
Kassler ribs.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it is. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Another consolidation day on the European market. Germany down 0.8%. Previous close of 240 euros. Open at 238. High of 238. Low of 238.
And
it closed at 238.
there we go.
Damn, 238 seems like a pretty...
Yeah, it was pretty low volume. It was just, here we go, done. Yeah. All right, taking a look at the price action for today, for Thursday, December 9th. We opened at 275, quickly went up to 283. Slow decline all throughout the day. We believe that there is many short attacks going on right throughout the day. That looks to be the price action. It is right at the 50-day moving average. Bought some dips over here, right at the 251. So hopefully that's going to help the cause and you keep this supported a little bit. Levels of resistance were seen early on at the 270 level, and then we had a solid level of support right at about the 251 level. It's currently trading at 254 with about 25 minutes to go in the day. Very low volume. We're looking at about 13 million for the entire day. To take a look at the options expiring tomorrow, Friday, December 10th, watch for the 250 strike price. Calls, there's 3.3 thousand at 250. 330,000 actual shares that I believe the hedgies are targeting to be able to have those fall out of the money. What is out of the money already is 2.5 million.
Wow.
Out of the money. And so
crazy.
guys, we've been saying this probably since we started the channel. Stay away from the short-term options. I know they're tempting. I get tempted into them, that sort of thing. And it's tough to win. They can manipulate the price in the short term. Not in the long term. Not if there's a major merger that happens, that sort of thing. They can't do that. But in the short term, with the days to cover being only like 0.3, it's so easy for them to come in and out. And so watch for them to take it down below the 250 tomorrow. Regarding the puts, same deal with the puts. They, in essence, usually they're the ones that are wanting the puts to be in the money. And they currently have 90% of the puts already in the money at 378,000 shares in the money right now. Now there's another, because they're greedy, they're greedy guys and girls. There's 230,000 more puts that would fall into their favor if it goes below 250. So we're looking at 330,000 calls that would favor them if it's under 250, and another 2,300. So we're looking at 5,600, over 500,000 shares that would favor them if it's under 250. So watch for them to try and drive the price under 250 in either the after hours tonight, pre-market, or during the day tomorrow. Now, that's just short-term price, because as we were saying yesterday, and for price targets, it's going to be way above $2.
Oh, easy.
This company's worth billions.
Oh, yeah.
And they know it's worth billions, and people know it's worth billions. So that's where our short-term price target is in around the $2.70 to $4 range.
Until major announcement of products going to market or partnership/M&A, merger and acquisition. And then longer term, you got $8 to $30. Like once their products are out on the market, like the pre-occludia, and they have a partnership and or merger and acquisition, that's going to be looking sweet.
Yeah.
That's going to be looking awesome.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Absolutely. Take a look at Ortex. The short interest increased today by 13%. That's because they keep on trying to drive this price down.
Yeah.
Right? And again, low days to cover, 0.33. Cost of borrow at 45%. Utilization, 98.86. So the current short interest is 13.4 million. So it is increasing to a current percentage of 13% of the free float, but it's under that magic number of 20%.
Yep.
So it's not, even though they added to it, they're just playing with the price. They're playing with the short-term price.
For sure.
So for me, what I'm doing is I honestly believe this is a company that once pre-occludia comes onto the market, once what we covered yesterday with the Crohn's and colitis magic pill that goes through, and they're supporting it with millions of dollars to be able to support their research. This is a good company. And once they start putting these merger and acquisitions together, then it's going to be good. But in the short term, they're playing around with this price, and, you know, nobody sees it.
Yeah.
Nobody sees it.
I'm the SEC,
You're
man.
the SEC, man.
I'm Gary
Open your
Gensler.
eyes, man.
I don't see anything.
Like, doesn't matter if it's AMC, GME, Bed Bath Beyond, Prog. Doesn't matter. Look at your, open your eyes.
I can't see anything.
They're doing it every week. Oh, you know what, Gary? Don't worry about it so much, because we know what you're gonna do, which right now is really nothing. But we're gonna fight for you to do more.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna fight for you to do more. But right now, we know that you're not going to do anything, so we know the hedges are going to go and try and manipulate the price under $250 tomorrow. So that's what we'll play for.
Never mind. You know what's crazy? So I was playing around with this stock the other day, CFVI, right? It was this Donald Trump stock, basically, that was a new social media platform. And right when it was going up, and I bought in because I saw the potential in it, the SEC put out a friggin' hit piece saying that they're investigating Donald Trump and his social media. And they're not investigating friggin' Shinidel and Susquehanna and all these people who short. They are so corrupt, it's not even funny. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man. It's but that's why we're out here. We are going to fight this darn thing until it's an even playing field.
Oh, yeah.
It's like going out there in the hockey rink going, oh, yeah, here you go. Give it a go, right?
Pretty much.
It's not going to work. Yeah.
Or even worse, it's like doing this, but you're golfing.
Where the hell's the ball? What do we do? Anyway, so, but we...
Well, maybe we swing and we hit Gary Gensler in the face.
Well, there you go, if he's there, right?
Hey?
With his buddies. Yeah, you know.
Kenny G.
I'm sorry, yeah, well, Kenny, there's a foursome.
Gary Gensler, you know,
right? James
hanging
Reed,
out at the parties,
right?
at the bars, that type of thing,
yeah.
I bet you there's some parties going on behind the scenes that we're not even seeing.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So to continue with the, so analysts still giving it a $6 rating, 100% plus ORI, short percentage up 13% today.
This was from Monday's drop, right?
Yeah, it is like, how did they get it this low? They just, short it to try and get their other ones that are covered under there. For Fintel, we have reported 18.1 shares short interest, 0.46 days to cover. Short interest percent of the float, 17%, again under that 20% number. I don't know why these numbers aren't the same for Ortex and Fintel.
I know, it's weird, isn't it?
Yeah. Dark pool short volume ratio, it was down today for the first time under 50%. It's still double what it should be, but it's lower. The short squeeze score fell to 83.31, 73rd out of 5,400 companies.
Jeez. The
short availability, we have 300,000 available. The borrow rate is at 36%. And then here we have the short volumes and the dark pools. And I just wanted to show, let's say, one thing here for today. So we wonder and we think that, okay, we got them, right?
Yep.
We got the shorts.
Yep.
They're in this, and you know, we've got them because we're holding on, and or whatever, you know, you choose to do.
Yep.
But let's say if we're holding on, then we're thinking, okay, well, the price has to go up eventually because they have to recover these shorts, and they're going to be in the world hurt and all that sort of thing, right? So that got me thinking, how are these companies doing lately? Like, are these Susquehannas and Shabbies and Citadels and that, what's been going on with them over the year?
Yep.
And so just take a look at, you know, the top one on the list here. Let's say Jane Street Group.
All right.
And we go into theirs. This is what's been going on since, let's say, a year ago. So July 2020, they're right here at, I don't know, about $140 billion.
Jeez.
A year later, there were double. $280 billion is what they have under their portfolio. They have doubled their portfolio in a year. How do they do it? They are
manipulating the price.
Oh yeah, and as soon as here's everybody going into like a Progeny, that sort of thing for a short-term squeeze or what have you. What do? They sell options.
Yep.
They sell options through their button, right? We didn't even have weeklies on this up until there was going to be that big run.
Yep.
For the monthlies for November.
Yep.
All of a sudden, weeklies. They're making money hand over fist in this thing. And then to be able to think, okay, well, can they get out of this? That sort of thing, and you know, tie to it. And I believe there could be, let's say, a young intern, not so much an intern, but somebody that's just starting up. You know, early 20s, just finished their MBA, just finished their BCom, Bachelor of Commerce, what have you. You know, they have their CFA, and they're working through to be able to have this as part of their portfolio.
Yep.
And no doubt that person wants to do well within that, you know, whatever companies that they've been given to be able to take care of. So yes, they want to take care of that individual stock, let's say Prog, to make sure it's not losing money. But if it's losing money, do they have other money to be able to take care of it? Take a look at this for a second. This is, we'll take a look at one line. Okay, Carlyle Group. They went in, 1.8 million shares, average price of $47. The value on this was $86 million. Goes in there and, you know, made some money on that. Value change up $20 million. That sort of thing. And so they're going in, they're selling these calls, they're making money on the premiums, all that sort of stuff. Look at how many there are. Yeah. Look at how many. Oh, that's not how many. Whoa. Let's take a look at how many this is. You know how many there are?
How many?
And this is just for the quarter. This is for the quarter from July, August, September. And they have to report every 3 months. This was their report. I'm only right here. You can see this cursor right here. This goes through. They have $250 billion that they go back and forth. So if you feel it a second, oh yeah, we got these guys, that sort of thing. You know what? We can start learning their game, and we can start like protecting ourselves and that sort of thing, and always going to the SEC to be able to say, this is bullshit.
Yeah.
This that they can manipulate the price. Why is it $250 today? The reason why it's $250 today is because they want some calls and puts to be more in their favor. It's, you know, so in the short term they can do this. So don't get freaked out by the short term prices. Yeah, I'm still buying. Not financial advice. I'm holding on. I'm buying because I do believe merger and acquisition is going to come. You know, we only went through 10% of this. Boom. As soon as I go like this, then we can't even see it. That goes all the way down. And this is unbelievable. There's 5,000 different entries. Every one of these entries is worth millions of dollars.
Jeez.
And so just thought I'd share that with you. Hedge fund companies are huge and growing. They can manipulate the price, and they're getting away with it.
So thank you guys so much for watching the video. We are the Great Canadian Apes.
Woo!
And,
Not keeling over.
no. And if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, share in the Reddit, share in the Twitters, whatever you're using. And thank you guys so much. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys. Woo! Take care.